Okay guys, today we're going to see what happens if you put popcorn that's already popped into your microwave. So let's get to it. Let's see what happens. Now let's stand back. Look what happened to our popcorn bag though, guys. We put it in for too long. But it still tastes alright. It doesn't seem like anything's happening to the popcorn. Wait, does this ruin your camera? I have a feeling this might ruin your camera video in a microwave. If you guys know if this ruins your camera or not, please put it down in the comments so that I don't get a broken camera. All good.
Looks like it's even bigger.
It'd be funny if they just exploded. Okay, let's see what's happened so far, guys. I think it's exactly the same as it was before.
Something doesn't sound good though. It's like...
Yeah, what is that noise? I think we may have broken the microwave, guys. Are microwaves meant to make this noise?
Okay, stop.
Let's do it again. While eating my popcorn. There's none left. Okay. Nothing's happened. Let's put it in for a bit longer. Sorry, Fano. This every day, bro. We do this every day, bro. I don't even know if anything's gonna happen with this. This might be just already popped. It actually does look like it's getting bigger.
Yeah, it does.
Huh?
Maybe the radiation from it.
It'd be funny if they just turned into giant popcorns.
Yeah, we should just leave the whole bag in for 2 minutes. Oh no,
Okay, I don't think anything's gonna happen, guys. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you later.